let's go in a bit into the technological part of digital art. I don't know if you believe me, but I'm kind of or I aspire to be a technology minimalist. I know you look around here and go like, really? Really? But like everything you see is used for something, and there's nothing that's not needed.
Right.
When you start in digital art, is there like a basic device that you need?
Photoshop.
That's it.
Well, okay. Now I'm like, full disclosure, I'm not sponsored by Photoshop at all. You need a good painting software. All right. Photoshop is the industry standard. It just happens to be. And for digital art, you have to learn how to use a stylus, some kind of a stylus hardware. So that's it. That's it. You know, there's Coral Paint and other things.
I was talking to another guy the other day and I was like, oh, the new iPad is out. Have you seen the new stylus? And I was like, do you really need it?
FYI, the iPad stylus is not that great. It wasn't really designed for art, like hardcore art. It's not that great for it. But I do use the iPad now, and the iPad does have free apps that are for day-to-day, especially for hobbyists, are comparable to Photoshop, and it's free. Photoshop is very expensive.
So what does the industry use?
Photoshop.
And what about the hardware?
Like maybe Illustrator. It depends on the nature of the project. Hardware, Macs are still pretty much the industry standard. A lot of people will use some kind of a touchscreen hardware. Okay. Yeah, so they'll have like full-blown, or you can get smaller versions.
It's like, for example, in videography, like everyone wants the latest camera, like the best gear, the best of everything, because only then you can get the best image. Is that the case in digital art?
No.
You just need that talent,
if you're chasing to be the best, then I guess you're more of an enthusiast and hobbyist. If you're a professional, you need the baseline stuff, because there is all specs when you're a professional. You know, if somebody needs a work, they tell you the resolution they want it at, right? And they tell you the style. You have that. You don't need the best gear to achieve X resolution.
All right.
That's all it is.
Yeah.
The file size.